is in connection to the excise policy case. I believe Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has filed a petition in the Supreme Court seeking an extension of his interim bail by 7 days, stating that he has now to undergo a PET CT scan and other tests. So remember, viewers, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal had been granted bail by the Supreme Court in view of campaigning for the elections, but the elections concluded yesterday on May 25 in the national capital. And now the Delhi Chief Minister has moved the Supreme Court, has filed a petition seeking an extension of his interim bail by 7 days. And we're getting in a big breaking update in connection to the Pune murder investigation. 2 doctors from Pune's Saso Hospital have been arrested for manipulation of blood test report. Remember, viewers, this is coming a week after Arnab questioned blood sample cover-up. The doctor has been arrested for manipulation in the blood test. They are arrested under sections 120B and 201 of the IPC. And remember, let's tell you, viewers, these doctors have been arrested 1 week after our editor-in-chief questioned the blood sample cover-up. And Arnab clearly had questioned the Pune CP on the blood sample delay. And this is a confirmation of the cover-up that was done on part of various authorities, and Republic had exposed the contradictions in the police versions to you, viewers. Now, joining us on this story is my colleague Sandeep. Sandeep, a very good morning to you. Now, you've been tracking the case, and Republic had directly spoken to the Pune Commissioner of Police, after which he had held a press conference. And in the press conference and in the interview to our editor-in-chief, the Pune CP Amitesh Kumar had given 2 different versions as to the time gap between the 2 different blood reports. Now, 2 doctors have been arrested. What does really go on to show in the case?
See, as far as this case is concerned, yes, 2 doctors have been arrested in this very matter. And as we spoke to the Pune police officials, the Pune police officials has confirmed that they are arrested under sections of 120B, which stand for criminal conspiracy. Apart from that, they are arrested under 201. That means hampering of evidences. So definitely, this means that there were something, hampering of evidences done by this very doctors. Also, they were involved in the criminal conspiracy in this case. As far as the blood test is concerned, remember, there was still blood test has become still a mystery for all of us. And ultimately, when I spoke to one of the Pune police officials, he confirmed that there was some kind of a manipulation been done by these doctors. And for the same reason, it is being seen now that they have been arrested. The biggest question is that what would be written in the remand report? That would be something that we are looking out for, because that will tell us the story about their exact involvement in the manipulation in this case. Were they bribed by someone? Were they bribed by the Agarwal family? And who was the person to, offer money to them? That is something that police investigation will reveal, and then will reveal. Was there any kind of conspiracy by the Agarwal family to make sure that the blood report is manipulated? Or is there any police officer who is involved in this, who had in fact pressurized the doctors to change the blood reports or to manipulate the blood test? So ultimately, these are some points over which the investigation will take place. Yes, but a major development in this very matter, major development. The doctors who are involved in collecting the blood samples are in fact under the custody of Pune police now. They are under arrest, and they will be in fact produced in the court today.